Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a 5G-capable handset, the latest firmware, and an Airtel 5G SIM activated in your account. Once done, make sure you are in an area with Airtel 5G coverage. Otherwise, the phone will drop to 4G. Next, open Settings and locate Mobile Network or SIM settings. This is where you change modes. You do this to force the device onto NR. It prevents automatic fallback when the network supports standalone or non-standalone 5G. Now you change the preferred network to 5G. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then SIM and Network, and pick the Airtel SIM. Select preferred network type and choose the 5G only or 5G/NR option. Some phones label it 5G/5G Auto or NR only. If your phone lacks a 5G only toggle, use the hidden network settings or field test mode. Careful with menus. Once set, wait for the NR indicator. This forces attachment to 5G cells when available, improving latency and speeds. Finish by verifying connectivity. Confirm the NR or 5G icon and run a speed test to ensure you're on a 5G cell. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or reinsert the SIM. These quick resets often trigger proper registration. Make sure carrier settings are updated. If problems persist, contact Airtel support, provide your device IMEI, and request provisioning for 5G. One key troubleshooting tip: test in another known 5G area to rule out local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.